Ayun. Tama. Hala.
A round of applause for your parade of stars.
Hey, kakachan.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, walang tao. Hello.
Hi.
Medyo sleepy pa ating audience. Guys, when I say hub, you say hooray. Hub, hub.
Hooray.
Uy, lakasan niyo naman. Hub, hub.
Hooray.
Pinakamalakas daw. Hub, hub. Very good. So hello guys and welcome to Davao, Crocodile, Park&Zoo, working with nature for a better future. I'm your host for this morning and my name is Kuya Paolo. So guys, first things first, sino bang nag-birthday this day? Do we have any birthday celebrant ba? No, I don't think we have any, but anyways guys, I have a brief history lesson. Davao Crocodile Park&Zoo is a wildlife rescue center since the year 2005 and we are in coordination with the DNR and DOT. So guys, before we start with our animal show, I have 3 friendly reminders for everyone. So reminder number 1 po, kindly sit still po and behave while the show is going on. And remember to also listen to my instructions very carefully, right? Reminder number 2 naman po, to those who are still eating, sorry guys, but kailangan kayo itago because eating is strictly prohibited while the show is going on. This is for your own safety and for our animals as well. And last but not the least guys, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, bawal palang gumamit ng cellphone. Joke lang po, hindi naman mag-ilaw si Mamo, grabe. Ma'am, kalma lang. Pwede kayong gumamit ng cellphones, guys. But, if you want to record our animals, just remember po to turn off the flash of your cameras. This is because napaka-light sensitive po ng aming mga hayop dito, alright? So, paki-double check lang guys para mag-post po tayo this wonderful morning. Now guys, few things po. Wild animals are still wild animals and they can take their time to get accustomed to their surroundings. Kaya po pagbigyan natin sila because it's quite a rainy weather today as well. Now, a few facts about our first animal guys. This animal is all the way from Australia and napaka-majestic niya po na animal. So ihanda niyo lang mga kamanas niyo because anytime this moment, this animal might come up here on stage. Alright, so mukhang handang-handa na siya guys. One last question. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassador? Yeah.
Ready?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Number one last time. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassador? Yes. Very good guys. So please help me welcome the first animal ambassador, the white-bellied seagull na si Zilong. Now Zilong guys is all the way from Australia and he is a white-bellied seagull with the scientific name of Haliaeetus leucogaster. Now guys, being an eagle, may dalawa po siyang distinct features. Unang-una, ang kanyang hooked upper beak and pangalawa naman po ang kanyang malalakas na talons. Kaya naman po nakasuot ng protection si Kuya Siren dito and that is because those talons guys are capable of even crushing a monkey's skull. So ito po, notice din ang napakalawak ng kanyang wingspan and this measures up to 2.3 meters in length, making him our second largest eagle here in the Philippines. So guys, ito po, I'll give you a few more moments para naman po may picture pa kayo and video kay Zilong and don't forget is the hashtag Davao Crocodile Park&Zoo. And ayan, mukhang gusto rin umuwi ni Zilong guys. So, let's say bye-bye to Zilong. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much Kuya Siren as well. Alright, now, since agila po yung ating first animal, ito may tatanungin ako, si Ma'am Dun, with the roses, so kanyang t-shirt. Ma'am, ikaw! Okay na lang. Are you okay? Okay na okay si Ma'am, smiley face. So Ma'am, ang the blue and gold macaw. Now, Barak here, guys, has the scientific name which means Ara-Ararauna and that means genius. Now, Barak here has the intelligence equivalent to a 4-year-old kid. Yes po, kasi talino niya ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Now, guys, being a parrot, meron siyang 2 paa and these are zygodactyl in nature, meaning may 2 toes naka-point forward and 2 toes naka-point backwards. Tapos magpapakita gila siya with a Filipino footwear we call Kalang-Kalang. Alright, so Barak, let's do this! Go! O diba? Kasi napaka madali para sa mga mag-grab ng mga bagay. Very good boy, Barak. And, ayan. Palakpakan naman natin siya guys for the wonderful kadang-kadang. Alright, now let's see kung kikinig ang ating audience. Ito si Sir naka-color white. Apollo, same hat. Sir, ang tanong ko pala sa'yo, what does ara-araraw mean? Patay. Siga ng mata. Okay, kalma lang sir, don't worry, ulitin natin. So guys, ara-araraw na means genius. Again, what does ara-araraw na mean?
Genius.
Ayun, genius. So yun po, maglalabas tayo ng dalawang garbage bins. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable. And of course guys, si Parak po ang magsisegregate ng kanyang basura. Alright, very good boy. Open up, and one more time. Ayan, mukhang ready na si Parak. Very good. So, Kuya Jmar, ready, get set, and go! Now, let's see ang kukunin niya. That's a piece of plastic. Yes, that's a piece of plastic indeed. And saan ko ilalagay? It's non-biodegradable. Very good boy. Next, another piece of plastic. And Barak, it goes. Very good. Another correct one. And eto guys, let's see the winning moment of Barak. Dalawang dahon. And yes, that's a piece of leaf. And it's biodegradable. Very good boy. And last but not the least, ayan. Very good. And yes, dahon ulit. And ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Barak for the wonderful segregation. Now, who here has seen the movie Rio? Raise your hand, Rio! Rio daw. Now, in the movie Rio, guys, did you know Barak is our second largest macaw in the world, with the first one being none other than the blue hyacinth macaw. So guys, before we say goodbye to Barak, let's all wave to him. Everyone wave! Okay! Bye-bye daw. Very good boy. And ayan. So guys, once again, that's Barak, our blue and gold macaw. Palakpakan naman natin sa mga dalawang Thank you so much, Barak. Alright, now for this next animal. Ito, naka-couple ng mga t-shirt. Ayan, family na family talaga. Ma'am, can you give me an example of a white-colored animal? Isha, and he is none other than our lovely cockatoo na si Apollo. Now guys, Apollo is an umbrella-crested cockatoo, ayan na po siya, with the scientific name of Kakadua alba, which means elder brother. Now guys, Apollo over here guys is an environmental advocate, and this morning magpapakita ko siya ng ilang paraan in order to lessen the effects of air pollution, starting with his bicycle. Alright, Apollo, very good boy. So ayan nga, sige nga, sakay na, and 1, 2, 3, and move! Gumamit ng isang bisikleta. Very good boy. And there you go. Palakpakan naman natin siya guys for the wonderful cycling action. Now, if hindi po kayo marunong mag-bicycle guys, don't worry because there's another way, and that is by using a scooter. Alright, jumbo right ahead and move! Ako talaga. Palakpakan naman natin siya guys for the wonderful performance. Now, you see guys, even our animals here love to take care of our environment, and you can also do the same, and that is by segregating your garbage. Kaya naman po guys, palakpakan naman natin si Apollo for that lovely message. Thank you so much, Kuya Sayed. Alright, now before I move on to the next animal, eto may tanong kay Ma'am dito naka-long sleeves. Ma'am, anong klaseng ibon po si Apollo? Ano, bird? South Cotabato. Kaya naman po happy welcome Mr. Bill, the Philippine Great Hornbill. Now this is Mr. Bill guys, isa po siyang Philippine Great Hornbill, and they are locally known as Calaos. Now, si Mr. Bill ay may scientific name na Boceros Hydrocorax mindanensis. Now notice, napakalaki ng kanyang tuka, and yung kanyang eyelashes po is napakahaba. Now this morning guys, magpapakita ko siya ng kanyang natural behavior, but I need your help. So on the count of 3, I need everyone here to shout the word fly. Alright, let's practice. 1, 2, 3.
Fly!
Ako, fly. Guys, bigyan naman natin ng energy. Nako po. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3.
Fly!
Okay, that's even better. So guys, give me the loudest fly that you can ever give me, alright? 1, 2, 3.
Fly!
And catch. what a beautiful catch. Palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Bill, guys. Now, napakaswerte niyo po, guys, because kapag may nakita kayong hornbill na ginagawa yan, isa lang po ibig sabihin yan, siya po ay nanliligaw. Now, do you want to see it one more time? Yes or no? Ayun, yes na yes. So, guys, bigyan niyo po ko ng isang napakalakas na fly, alright? 1, 2, 3!
Fly!
And catch! Very good boy. Again, palakpakan naman natin siya, guys, for those wonderful catches. Now, syempre, ginagalingan niya ni Mr. Bill, guys, because the hornbill that catches most fruits or insects with air ang siyang sasagutin ng babaeng hornbill. And alam niyo ba, guys, na once na sinagot siya, they will stick together their entire lives. Oh, si Sir, oh, may forever ka na, Sir, no? Uy, napaharap sa kabila. May forever na, no? Wala pa. Guys, naniniwala pa kayo sa forever? Oh, yes. How about you? May forever ba? Hindi ka si Kuya. But anyways, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya Jimar and si Mr. Bill, guys. Our lovely animals. Now, before I move on to this next animal, guys, so we have an animal with 3 animals. Teddy, our Philippine bear cat. Now, guys, Teddy, guys, is all the way from Palawan, and he has the scientific name of Arctictis pinturong. Now, guys, he has the face of a cat, the body of a bear, and the tail of a monkey. Now, yung kanyang buntot po, guys, is napakahaba, and it can do things like this. Very cool. Teddy, palakpakan naman natin si Teddy, guys, for the wonderful tail action. Now, that tail, guys, is actually prehensile, meaning it can act as a fifth limb, allowing him to grab things with ease. Now, syempre, guys, hindi lang po nag-iisa si Teddy dito. Kaya man po may direct your attention sa kabila po, we also have Uno, his brother. Now, si Uno ay medyo shy and timid, guys. Kaya man po pagbigyan lang natin siya. Alright, Uno, halika na po, slowly. And ayan, mukhang confident si Uno. Now, guys, napaka-cute pala ng ating mga bear cats, and they do smell like buttered popcorn. Yes, napaka-sweet po ng kanilang amoy, guys. Now, bear cats are also called bear cats for a reason, and that is because they can stand on their 2 hind legs just like a grizzly bear. Just like this. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Uno, guys, for the wonderful action. Now, if you notice, kumakain pala ng saging or bananas ang ating mga bear cats. Now, I have a question. What do we call animals that eat fruits? It's a monkey. No. Okay, something easier muna. What do we call animals that eat meat or carne?
Carnivore.
Carnivore. How about animals na kumakain ng herbs and grasses?
Herbivores.
Herbivore. Okay, nandyan na po yung answer sa word. Okay, next one. Anong tawag sa animals na kumakain ng herbs, grasses, and karne? Omnivore. Omni meaning all. Okay, natulala si Ma'am dun banda. Napaisip tuloy. Okay, next one, guys. I'm sure you can answer this next. What do we call animals then that eat fruits? It's a fruit salad. Oh. Guys, ang proper term for animals na kumakain ng fruits is frugivores. Frutivore po si Ma'am dito banda. Frugivore po. Again, guys, what's the word?
Frugivores.
Oh, fajibar na po. Frugivore po. So again, guys, the word is frugivore. So once again, palakpakan naman natin ang ating dalawang bear cats, si Teddy and si Uno. Now, before I move on to my next animal, guys, may I ask our guests at the back to move closer. Si Jonelle. Hindi yan si Jonelle. So guys, remember we are working with wild animals, and Jonelle just happens to be extra wild. And to be honest, mukhang nakatakas pala siya this morning. Yeah. So pakicheck sa ilalim ng upuan niya. Mukhang may nakitang gumagalaw dito banda. So guys, just calm down, okay? Kita niyo siya ilabas na rin. Sino ba yan? Who do we have here? It's not a Jonelle. And kasama niya rin po si Lala, ang dalawa sa ating Burmese pythons. Now guys, these things are not venomous. Kaya naman po, huwag po kayong matakot, guys. napakabait na ating mga ahas. Now, hindi po nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat, guys. And there are gentle giants, guys. Yan po, they are one of the 5 largest snakes in the world. Kasama na rin po ang reticulated pythons and, of course, ang ating green anacondas. Ako po si Ma'am, napatayo dun sa gitna. Ma'am, are you okay? Okay na okay. So, let's spice things up a bit this morning. Ngayon pala mamimili mo ng dalawang lucky adult guests, si Kuya Jmar and si Kuya Siren. So Kuya Jmar, sino bang napili mo? Yung naka-blue, si Ma'am. Ayun palakpakan naman natin siya. Ako, kaya mo, di pag-escort na mo siya, Ma'am. Halika dito, sayang po yung opportunity nyo. Lapit lang, Ma'am, lapit lang. Walang ahas involved. Iba yung gagawin natin. Lapit lang, Ma'am, lapit lang, lapit yan. Ayan, very good. And we have another one. About yung Siren, sino pa ba? Si Ma'am daw, may flowers lang. Ma'am, lumapit ka dito. Halika dito, Ma'am, sayang. Halika na dito, halika na dito. Ako, yes, ayan, tumayo na si Ma'am. Very good, lapit lang dito, Ma'am, lapit lang. Ayan, so mukhang ready na ating mga guests. Ma'am, ano lang, napakaganda pa naman ang eyebrows mo ngayon. Lapit lang dito, Ma'am. Oh, pareha mo, Ma'am, mga nindog kay eyebrows. Alright, so Ma'am, asan ka nakadlog? Sa bitin or sa nagunit? Ay, grabe na po. So, Ma'am, what are your names, by the way?
Christine.
Christine, and how about you? Si Girly and si Christine. So, Christine and Girly, ilang taon po tayo?
36.
36? You look like 25. Ako, napakabata mo pa for your age. And how about you? 30. Ma'am, why do you look so young? Naku po, what's your secret ba? Wambot lang, happy life. Happy life, naku. Alright, so ma'am, taga saan po kayo? Talikod. And how about you? Kompal and Talikod daw. Dili daw siya ganahan mo sayaw. Guys, do you want them to dance? Yes or no? Yes! Naku, mukhang kailangan yung sumayaw ngayon. So, kailangan mo po. So, isang paru-paru G naman dyan. Kaya niyo yan, go lang. Madali lang yan. Naku, volunteer silang bitin. Alright, so musayaw with the bitin, okay? Close your eyes, man. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Yung lang. Kalma lang. Alright, ma'am, kalma lang po. Alright, hawakan lang kamay mo, ma'am. Naplagay sa palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa. Ako, really. Aray ko po ang kamay ko. Alright guys, so pag-usapan natin ang mga ahas nito. Ma'am, hinga lang po. Kalma lang, mapait naman yung ahas natin. Alright, so guys, aray ko, sakit. So guys, ang mga ahas nito ay the Burmese pythons and they have the scientific name of Python vividatus. Now, non-venomous po sila, so don't worry guys, hindi po nakakamatay ang kanilang kagat. Pero sila ay constrictors guys, meaning sinasakal nila ang kanilang pagkain bago ito lamunin ng buo. At mukhang nagugutom dito banda. Aray ko po! So guys, mukhang may mas malakas pang constrictor dito sa stage. Ito si Ma'am, tingnan nyo. Aray ko. So guys, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am. Guys, ako, she tried her very best. Up here, Ma'am, very good. And po, thank you so much. Baka gusto mo, round 2, Ma'am. Alright, okay, Ma'am, you can go back to your seat po. Thank you so much. Ma'am? Apilon now. So Ma'am, wait lang. Before that happens, lapit lang dito. Kita tayo. Alright, lapit. Oh, smile dun sa camera. Ayun, no? Palakpakan din naman natin siya, guys. Dalawang ahas na yan. Now, Ma'am, kung sa feeling sa bitin?
Sayo no, tak.
Di ba, nag-regret? Mas ganahan ka kung sayo ka rin, Ma'am. Di na? Ma'am, sayo ka na. So once again, guys, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am na ako. Napaka-brave and napakalakas yan to have two snakes on her na. Alright, so guys, don't worry po because everyone after the show, guys, you will also have a chance to have a photo and interact with our lovely snakes. So guys, here at Davao Crocodile Park&Zoo, we have a mission, and that is to protect, preserve, and educate people about these wonderful animals. Kaya naman po, tulungan niyo kami in our mission to protect these animals and their habitats. Preserve them by not keeping one as a pet, and the moment that you enter this facility, you are not losing. Now, if you want to help us even more, guys, you can drop your tips right here lang po sa aming tip box and ilalagay lang namin dito sa harapan for easy access. Senior signal for the animals in your cages. Now, yung guidelines na po, remember na po to wear your face mask properly at all times. And, of course, yung flash na po na ating mga cameras, guys, baki-off lang po. Alright? So, maraming